Hello, this is Andy. I'm a full-time eBay seller. This is my first video. Just going to kind of look into how an Under Armour shirt that averages, I don't know, $15, $20 on eBay, sometimes up to $19, $25. How did mine go to $52 and a penny, starting it at 99 cents? If you listen to conventional wisdom, people are going to tell you that you shouldn't do 99-cent auctions because you'll wind up selling your stuff for 99 cents and you'll take a loss on it. And I've been doing 99-cent auctions all the way back to like when Cassini was rolled out was when I first started doing it, because I just wasn't selling stuff. By fixed price, and I needed to make some money. So a couple of reasons why this is selling for what it's selling for. 2XL size, the bigger the size the better. It has the symbol embroidery for Spyglass Hill, which I believe is in Florida. If you look on eBay, let's see here. Let's try it right here. Spyglass Hill Golf is something that people are searching in men's clothing. There's my auction that's going to end tonight. It's got about an hour left. It's at $52 and a penny. 25 bids. So when you're out looking at polo shirts, a good thing to look for is different different country clubs, different golf courses around the country. You find one that has a golf course on it, go into your app in your phone and search the name of the course. A lot of times people are searching for that. When they're searching for it, you'll make money. Look, everybody else is in the $20 to $30 range, 15. I started mine at a penny. A bunch of people got excited about it. It's at $52 and a penny. So pretty amazing. Do it all the time with lots of different things, but for this video we're just going to look at Under Armour. Here is Terapeak. If you have a store, you have access to Terapeak on eBay. So Under Armour Heat Gear Loose Polo. These do awesome all day long on eBay. I'm not sure. Ooh, I'm way down the line. So what I've done is I've searched these by auction only, pre-owned, and then sorted them by the number of bids. And what you'll see is I sell a ton of these. You can see how that's real similar. Well, actually, it's identical to the one that we started out with. So we go on to Terapeak. There's just a ton of these 99-cent auctions that I've done for Under Armour shirts. I always stick with the Under Armour Heat Gear Loose ones, the ones that are earlier, that are just Under Armour or Under Armour Heat Gear without the loose. I don't seem to do as well with, but this one sold for $22.50. This one sold for $39. That was mine, $17.50. We'll just keep going down. Here's another one of mine. When you're out looking for Under Armour, look for the heathered ones. The heathered ones will sell, from what I've been seeing, they sell in the $30 range. We'll see some other ones. This one was a 4XL. When you find these large sizes, it's just incredible. You'll make killer money. And I'm paying $5 an item for these shirts most of the time. In the Goodwills in the St. Vincent de Paul's in my area, that's $4.99 is pretty typical for polos and for, you know, dress shirts, button-down shirts. Here's another one that was heathered. It sold for $19.50, and it had a big old horrible advertising for something. I'm not sure what that logo was. I just put that there was an unknown logo on the right sleeve, and paid $5 for it. It still went to $19.50, which is what you'll sell them for on average. But you know, they'll sit forever if you sell them fixed price. And I just found that it makes more sense to buy them, get them listed. I usually end them on Sunday nights, like tonight. So I'll start them on Thursdays. Thursdays is 10-day auctions, and then Tuesdays is 5-day auctions, and Sundays is 7-day auctions. And I'll have a ton of them end. You know, I'll have a ton of them end on each Sunday of the month. And then let's go to my account right now. So this is what I've got listed. 67 items that are up to $1,349. The ones that are ending tonight are up to $1,271. So I'm not sure. Let's take a look. 1271 divided by, let's try that again. 1271 divided by 62. So on average, I'm selling these for $20.50. That'll go up by the end of the night. So you can see I've got lots of different stuff. Most of it is, you know, going to sell for at least 3 times what I paid. You know, if I'm paying $5 an item. Some of the ones that are up at the top I paid a little more for. But when you get down to the bottom, there's only a handful of them where I haven't made it back to the $5 mark, but I charge $6.25 for shipping, and on average I pay $4. So I've got a $2.25 cushion in each item. So even if I make a mistake, I'm only, at worst case scenario, I'm going to lose $2 or $3 even after all the fees. But when you're selling a bunch of stuff that you pay $5, $10, $15 for 50, 60, 40, all those big numbers add up, and then the bottom, the tiny numbers don't really matter all that much when you make mistakes. And as you get better at it, you'll make less and less mistakes. You'll get better and better at picking out, picking out what makes sense. But as far as this video goes, if you went out to the thrifts tomorrow and just looked for Under Armour Heat Gear Loose shirts, you know, check them out. A few snags here and there won't really hurt anything if you just take pictures of them, but you know, the nicer they are and the cleaner they are, the better. And you know, you'll make money. You'll make more money than what you pay out if your thrifts are anything like mine. If you can get them at the price points I'm getting them, you know, 5, 6. I mean, you could probably go up to 10 if you had to. And then it would just depend on, you know, size. Size will increase the total. So I'm just kind of rambling at this point. I think we're going to call this a night. But I just kind of wanted to show you what is possible with 99-cent auctions. Despite what people say, people will tell you don't do it, you'll lose money. Well, if you're using the right keywords, if you're auctioning off the right items, like these Under Armour Heat Gear Loose polo shirts, I'll put them in casual button-down shirt category, and I'll spend an extra quarter to put them in the golf category as well, and charge $6.25 for shipping. When you go to ship them out, weigh your packages. Use poly mailers. They're light. They cost about a nickel, 6 cents a piece, and you'll be able to ship these out at $4 the majority of the time, $4 or less, and that'll give you a $2.25 cushion. For those times that you do make mistakes. But here in the near future, I'm going to be opening a Facebook group up. It'll be a paid Facebook group. It'll cost about $25 a month. I can walk you through all this, just so you can see. Let's see what my last 31 days I've sold $4,047 gross. Of course, eBay adds in your shipping in that, but I'm making $2.25 an item on average on what I charge for shipping versus what I actually pay for shipping. And people will pay $6.25 for first class shipping. Then just use your scale, and it'll save you some money. You'll make a little money up above and beyond your profit just by doing your shipping that way. And just want to show you I'm doing this every day. I'm not just trying to be a guru, sell you things that you may not need. But if that's something that interests you, I am going to be opening a paid Facebook group where I can kind of walk you hand in hand. If you've got a store with a bunch of stuff in it, I can look through your store and help you decide what you might want to auction off. So if you liked what you've seen in the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you get notifications when I put more videos up. I'll definitely be putting more videos up. This is my first one. Hope I did okay. Tried to do the best I could, and hope you all enjoyed it. And go out there, find you some Under Armour shirts, and make some money this week. Take care.